get one funny thing when I say they happen for this country. So most people never take note of it. Now notice say most Nigerians not sabi read the national anthem. Even me myself, I not even sabi answer. Arise, O compatriot, Nigeria's call obey. I don't forget self. I don't forget her. But so many Nigerians don't sabi am. But why? Because so many Nigerians, their attentions don't go to different things entirely. Their attentions don't go to hustling, their attention don't go to the way they'll take make am. So poverty sometimes elevation don't take some people thinking. So they're not even focus on anything when concerning the country again. Still on the matter, street yells from Wazobia TV, making not touch that channel 195. Like me as I also don't also carry my head. If you just tune in, my name is MC Shaggy, street yells, channel 195, start time. Make we enter road. I go know how many Nigerians when if you read the national anthem. Make we know. Make it there. Yeah, what's your name?
I'm Dr. Kingsley.
Dr. Kingsley?
Yes.
Doctor, eh?
Yeah. As
a doctor?
Yes.
I know say you have so many things in your head.
Exactly.
But you know if you forget. As you are a proper Nigerian.
Yeah. A
from
good
where?
Citizen. From Abia State.
From Abia State?
Yes.
As you then, if you read the national anthem?
Yes, I can read our national anthem. It's just that when you are happy, then you can think of your national anthem properly.
So you are happy now?
No, I'm not happy. I'm not a happy man.
Why you not happy?
Yes, considering what we are seeing in this country. Yeah. Many years ago, I can remember when my father was alive. He told us the history of Nigeria. But right now, what I normally had then is not what we are seeing now. Yeah.
Okay, read the national anthem.
I can read the one if I'm happy. Whenever I'm happy, I will read it.
Oh yeah, read. Try to be happy and read it.
Okay. Arise, O compassion, Nigeria's gonna obey. To serve our fatherland, to serve our place and faith. When I'm happy, you can see me, I will perform very well.
Yeah, perform very well.
If at all we are a good night, when things are okay, you see everybody will be proud of his country.
I tell you, this one on street yells from Wazobia TV don't touch that. Back at that, I tell you, it has to be. Even with too much intel, you say when happiness day, you go know so many things. When joy not day, where they hotel locate the national anthem. Back at that. Bro, come. How far now? What's your name? Adekule.
Yeah.
Adekule, are you a Nigerian man?
Of course.
From which state?
Lagos State.
Lagos State.
Yeah.
Can you read the national anthem?
Why not?
Read the man.
Arise, O compatriot, Nigeria call obey, to serve our father's land with love and strength and faith.
You blink small.
The nation of our heroes can never be evil. To serve without a mind, our nation born in freedom.
Back there, you too much, my guy. God bless you. This one at Wazobia TV. We want to know how many Nigerians still recite the national anthem. I want to know how many Nigerians, even Nigerian footballers, if they notice when they read the national anthem, they mama. They just put out nothing that they do that. Back there, I tell you. Back there, bros, Alpha.
I did.
If you read the national anthem.
Arise, O compatriot, Nigeria's call obey, to serve our father's land, with love and strength and faith. The labor of our heroes shall never be in vain. To serve without a man, one nation burning freedom is our unity.
Oh, Shega, ma. Oh, Shega. What's your name?
Emmanuel.
Oh, you be proper Nigerian man.
Confirm now. 24/7 Ekiti State.
Ekiti State.
Precisely.
Hey, Shega. Yes, fountain of knowledge. Yeah. Good afternoon.
No.
Good afternoon. Just 1 minute, please. 1 minute. When I pitch in English.
No.
Don't worry yourself.
I'm late.
I know you are late.
Oh
All of us are late. Now, just small. Not being tough finish now. Just read the national anthem for me. You can go.
The national anthem?
Yes, yeah, read them.
I know the national anthem.
Oh, yeah,
obviously. Oh my God.
Oh my God. We read it! Yeah! Yes, for your tag bang group. 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 Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. This is Wazobia TV.
What do you want me to do?
On the side, sir. I just want simple thing. You know, say most Nigerians don't forget the national anthem. I know whether I should remember.
Arise, oh compatriots, Nigeria console bay.
Hey, Nigeria console bay. That's good. That's good. I like when you console the base. You know that kind of thing. Nigeria console bay. Madam Hafa. Wazobia TV. How you doing? Yeah. You feel the national anthem?
Yes. Yes, now. Wow. Arise, O compatriots, Nigeria's call obey to serve our father's land with love and strength and faith. The labor of our heroes shall never be in vain. To serve with heart and mind, one nation bounding.
All of now, when don't labor for this country, no be in vain. All of, hey. If you read the national anthem.
Why not go for you national anthem? How much you want to give me? What you want to give me? Make you show me what.
Collect what you want, collect first.
Mutu one, I don't know if Mutu one. I go read that now.
Oh, yeah.
I know they do mistake. I go school now.
Go read the national anthem.
National anthem. Uche mo lọ school. Na this one sabi pass.
Who's up?
Monday Antonio Road.
Also the what? Where? One day.
Okay. You want the national anthem?
All right, let's see how much people they dodge down. What was he get down?
Oh, sure.
Arise, O compatriots, Nigeria shall to serve our fatherland.
Quick, madam, complete that for us.
Arise, O compatriots, Nigeria's call obey to serve our fatherland with trust and honor.
Oh, join quick. I tell you, most Nigerians they don't know how to read the national anthem. So the matter because of what you stress. Stress don't take almost half of Nigerians their head. More than make this country good, I beg. Make this country good. If there is joy, people will notice. All right, still on the matter. Quick there.
Yes, sir. Wow. Arise, oh.
I tell you, this guy, he don't even know the start himself. The guy don't know the starting. I'm not sure, say, bro, if you read that. You know if you read that? Mama.
How much you give me? I know go feel I no be Nigeria.
Yeah, read that.
I no be Nigeria.
You no be Nigeria. Which tribe you be?
I be Africa.
Africa. Oh yeah, I got read national anthem.
I know sabi read though. I know sabi read.
Not the talk like
Everything I know do.
you know this sabi.
I know sabi.
Nothing you even sabi.
I know
So
sabi.
you dey do business, not sabi.
And a business I know.
Oh yeah, read the national anthem.
I know sir.
You know read the national anthem.
I don't even like Nigerians.
You say never like Nigeria. You got a wicked man. Alpha, can you read the national anthem?
No.
Hello, sweetheart. Everybody's in a haste. Hello, how are you? Everybody's in a haste. Just give me 5 minutes. No, I need your attention, please.
I don't want now.
You must want to.
National anthem. Okay. Arise, O compatriots, Nigeria's call obey to serve our father's land with love and strength and faith.
Yes, sir.
The labor of our fields should never be in vain.
to serve with might and might. One nation bound in freedom, peace and unity. I play Nigeria out my country, to serve Nigeria out all my trade, and to defend her unity and honor her glory. So help me God.
Break it there. Still on the street, as I tell you, this one of my Hausa friends. I just meet them for Sabuna right away. And they tell you, still on the matter, street hands, making not touch you there. The guy recite the national anthem finish. Anyone feel read there again?
National Anthem. Arise, O compatriots, Nigeria's call obey.
You know, they see national anthem be like blues. As she dey drink herself, I know they fall in love. All right, if national anthem is sweet like this, tell me how the country no sweet. Tell me how the country no sweet. In short, I like end this show here. Now, yeah, I want to end this show with this peaceful national anthem from this wonderful, beautiful lady. Madam, take her again.
Arise, O compatriots, Nigeria's call obey, to serve our father's land with love and strength and faith. Of our lives shall never be in vain. To serve with heart and mind. One nation bound in freedom, peace and unity.
Oh, need peace and unity. Oh. Yes, let there be peace in this country. Say that.
Let there be peace in this country.
Yes, any more that word?
I'm happy.
Thank you very much. I don't know whether you're happy. That will not concern me. All I know, there should be peace in this country. Peace, so not peace. I read national anthem.
I don't go ski on now.
Most Nigerians now. If they watch now, I tell you earlier on before I start, I tell you, say, most Nigerians, they don't forget the national anthem. They don't forget the national anthem. Because of waiting one or two stress, the country needs to be stable. The country needs to be, at least there should be peace in this country. If peace in this country, if the leaders, they feel they do what they're supposed to do at the right time, everybody go there stable and they feel they remember all the things when they go on around there. Even some not even know their name. I tell you, it's not supposed to be that way. This one is straight here, Wazobia TV, making not touch that. Channel 195. My name is MC Shaggy, commander of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Don't touch that. Boom. Yeah. If you read that.
Aizo compatriots, Nigeria's call obey, to serve our fatherland with love and strength and faith.
Yeah, the guy there for hold up. You need to move. Thank you very much. Break it there. Break it there.